Here's how to scrape Indeed jobs list with no coding knowledge. For this, we'll need the Indeed scraper from NFT.codes. Link will be in the description. Simply just download it for your browser. Next, press jobs in the list. As you can see, we extracted the jobs in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. Then head to the next page. Alternatively, you can use the auto function, which will auto-navigate the pages for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press stop. Now head to the settings. Then press on stored data. In here you can find all data is scraped. You can specify some data to delete or move to export. Now to customize this, press on customize. Then press on jobs in the list. In here you can change the data however you want. So for example, you can uncheck some data. You can also change the order of the data. And also change the name. And also add the criteria to only scrape the products you're looking for. Once you're done, press save. You can also find more features in the add-ons section. Now to export this, press add to export list. Then press export. You can export in many different ways. I'll export it as HTML. After exporting, here is the data we extracted.